Hello everyone, it's Jonathan here, founder of Driving Academy, and in today's video I'm going to be discussing the crazy extensions that are happening when it comes to your CDL permits. So if you live in the state of New Jersey and you have permits that are expiring or about to expire, you definitely want to watch this video the whole way through, because we get this question almost every single day. Hey John, hey Driving Academy, hey Phil, hey Jake, my permits are expiring, what do I do? I don't want to wait in the long crazy lines at DMV. So I'm going to give you the most updated version on making sure you know exactly when your permit is going to be extended to. Now by the time you watch this video, this information might be a little bit out of date. So the best thing that you can do is go to the local NJMVC website, and then they're going to have the most up-to-date information around. But as of right now, what's happening with permits? So as you know, COVID happened. DMV was shut down for a couple months, and that kind of messed a lot of people up. And when it came to the CDL permits, extensions were extensions originally, as long as your expiration happened after March 1st, the extensions were extended till September 30th, which means if you had paper permit that was expiring, a plastic permit that was expiring, or test scores that were expiring, everything was extended till September 30th. So the good news now is they understand that there's a whole lot of more people who still have to get their new permits going in. They do not want to mix it in with the old people who have to renew their permits. So they decided as an organization to, drum roll please, extend it to the end of the year. So you're going to have up until December 31st to actually make sure that everything is good and ready to rock. However, if after December 31st, I doubt that they're going to extend it again, which means you're definitely going to want to make sure that you get your license and pass the first time, because we are getting closer and closer to the end of the year. I know it's still sunny outside some days, but remember, the snow is coming, Santa Claus is right around the corner, and that means craziness is going to happen. So if you definitely want to take advantage of this extension, because for many people, if you don't take advantage of this extension, you're going to have to redo all the written exams again. That's right. So if you have your CDL permit already, and you passed the written exam about a year ago, those tests technically are only good for 1 year. So after you get past this extension, I doubt that they're going to push it back anymore, which means you definitely want to make sure that you have your license before then, so you take advantage of this gift that came early this year. You didn't have to wait for Santa Claus. That being said, I definitely recommend that you go and get your license and sign up with the school. If you're looking for a school, don't look any further, because here at Driving Academy, we are the best driving school in the whole country. And we're probably the one of the schools that can get you in and out the quickest, because we have our own third-party testing site. That's right, not only are we the best training facility around, but we can actually provide you with actually taking the third-party testing. So if you live in New Jersey, New York, Pennsylvania, or anywhere else in the country, you can take advantage of our third-party testing services. So the way it works is we're going to give you all the training that you need to get you ready to pass the road test itself, and then you're going to go to our third-party testing facility, which is located in Pennsylvania. You're going to take the test there with one of our certified examiners. You might be lucky, I might be one of the examiners giving you the test. And then, if you pass, all you're going to do is you're going to wait 1 week, go back to your home state with your local permits, and then you can actually get your actual local CDL license. So if you're from the state of New Jersey, you do the training here at a New Jersey location in our training facility. From there you go to our testing site in Pennsylvania, and then after you pass, you wait 1 week and you come back and you get your actual license. If you have your permit already, you qualify for what we call a half course. How the half courses work is we're going to give you training, depending on how many hours of training that you're looking for, and they come with either 1 or 2 tries at the test. Those packages range anywhere from $1,000 to $2,500, depending on the package that you're looking for, and all you need to get started is $500 down. Then we can work out a payment plan for the rest. If you feel like you need more training, our most popular option is our guaranteed training package. And how that works is we're going to give you over 100 hours of training, plus we're going to guarantee that you get a license by giving you unlimited tries at the test, which means you're going to keep going for the test until you pass at no extra cost to you, right? So at the end of the day, as long as you don't give up on yourself, we're never going to give up on you. Think of it like an all-inclusive package, where you pay once and then you never have to pay again until you walk away with your license. Those other half courses, they are cheaper in price. They do give you less hours of training, plus they come with either 1 or 2 tries at the test. If you were to fail those tries, then you would have to pay again for another road test itself. That being said, if you want more information on how our training packages work and you want to take advantage of the extension that just happened to the end of the year, give us a call, 908-525-3609. We have our classes filling up extremely quickly. Our weekend classes is almost full all the way up until the end of the year. So you definitely want to give us a call as soon as possible because it is first come, first serve. Because we are the best, we have students come from all over the country to come and join us, so we definitely want you to get your piece of the best driving school around. Our mission is to help 1 million people get on the road to freedom, and what's more free than driving where you want to go and making more money while you're doing it. So you can do one of two things right now. If you want to talk to a person, give us a call, 908-525-3609. If you don't feel like talking to a person right now and you want to do more information, I invite you to take a virtual school tour at cdldrivingacademy.com/tour. Again, that's cdldrivingacademy.com/tour. Click on the link below, and that's going to give you all the information that you need. Thanks, and have a fantastic day.